Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making bacon, bourbon, monkey bread. That sounds so delicious. Now, fun fact about bourbon, 95% of bourbon is made in Kentucky. Woo! This recipe stems from an ex-boyfriend pre-stew days while in college. Now, whose name I really can't mention.
I know who it is.
The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember to join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. And smoosh the like button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, is available on Amazon. It's also available as an ebook. Here's some exciting news. Between now and New Year's, Little House of Beans is going to be doing a giveaway. For the 12 days of Christmas, we will be customizing your own Omnia package. That will include the Omnia base, the Omnia pan, non-stick of course, and the lid, of course, available in so many colors. Keep your ears and eyes open and peeled to the Little House of Beans as we announce more details in the days to come. I'm ready to cook. Let's make this bacon, bourbon, monkey bread.
I have no idea what that means.